Hey guys, if you are looking to make doing the dishes super easy and almost, dare I say, kind of fun, then I got the perfect product for you. So this is a dual-sided sponge. This is basically the Scrub Mommy. This is by Scrub Daddy, the brand, and it makes doing dishes super, super easy. So you're gonna notice it has two different sides here. You've got a nice scrubbing side, and then you've got like a softer traditional scrubbing kind of foam side. What's cool about this is when it's heated up in warm water, it becomes very kind of flexible, but when it's in cold water, it stays nice and firm, allowing you to easily get in there and remove and clean whatever you're doing, whether it is pots and pans, whether it is crystalware, whether it is basically utensils. You can also utilize this generally through the house. Maybe you're washing your windows, that kind of thing. It's a nice little comfortable size brush, coffee pot, all that stuff is very, very, very versatile when utilizing it. Now you're gonna notice it's got these cool little different textures. So you got a smooth end on the bottom here, and you got the little spiked hair part. Obviously the Scrub Mommy has a nice little bow, but these two different textures are gonna allow you to go ahead and turn it, like say you're doing a coffee pot, right? You're gonna be able to go ahead and get those little kind of textures, makes it a little bit easier to clean the sides and allow you to remove any of those particulates. And then you got the small side, obviously, to utilize for just general sponge cleaning, and then the rough side to get rid of any tough stuck on grime. But it is gentle enough, it's not gonna scratch anything. So you don't have to worry about it scratching your cast iron pots, not your Teflon stuff, it's not gonna scratch your fancy crystal or anything like that, which works great. Now you're gonna notice it has two little eyes. These are designed for your fingers. You're gonna put your two fingers in here. This is gonna allow you to reach in further and have more control when utilizing the sponge itself. And as far as the smile, this is designed perfect for utensils. So in the smile, you can easily wash both sides, for example, of a spoon, a fork, a knife, so you're not kind of flipping it over or anything like that when utilizing it. Now, the way this material is made out of, it's designed not to hold any odors like a traditional sponge. So it's gonna last for a lot longer. Matter of fact, you can even toss this in the dishwasher to make sure it stays nice and extra clean. As far as the longevity of the sponge, you're gonna get about 8 weeks, so 2 months, sometimes a little bit longer. It really depends on how often you are utilizing it. If you're utilizing a lot of heavy grease, a lot of bacon grease, and it's just gets baked on here, it's gonna go a lot quicker. But essentially, if you start kind of tearing little parts into it, that's when you know it's time to replace. But what's nice about it doesn't hold that odors. And like I said, you can toss it in the dishwasher, make sure it's nice and clean, gets rid of any of the bactericides itself. Now, as far as the size, it's about 4 inches in diameter and about 1 inch in thick. Very, very easy to use. It is literally the ultimate sponge. If you do clean anything with a sponge, you totally have to give this one a try.